Alright, sorry about that, guys. Michael was just so eager to get to the real life application. Many of you guys always wonder, like, when am I ever going to use this in life? How is this pertinent to what I'm going to learn? I don't want to do this. I'm never going to use it. It's not useful. Well, this method of substitution can be used to solve problems, like one pertaining to physical therapy. And any method of any method of solving linear equations, whether it's elimination, addition, substitution, or graphing, can be used for this problem. It's just one that works with all of them. If you use it, you can solve. If you use substitution, you can solve it as well. So here's the problem: to rehabilitate her knee, an athlete does leg extensions. Her goal is to regain a full 90-degree range of motion in this exercise. Use the information in the illustration to determine her current range of motion in degrees. I'm sorry I can't provide the picture for you. It's a little complicated for me to do. I don't know how to get the picture onto the slide. But what it is of an athlete sitting down trying to move her legs in a 90-degree motion. And what the picture looks like is she's about 3/4 of the way done with the 90-degree angle. And if you divide 90 by 4, you get 18. So the necessary information that was given in the problem or in the picture is that the athlete, her legs are 4 times the measure of the X off the ground. Oh, sorry, I jumped the gun a little. So what we need to do is make a formula to solve this problem. You can never solve a problem unless you have a formula. And since the angle of the girl's legs the girl's legs from the ground is 4 times bigger than the other angle, then we have to have it be 4x. And since we have a 90-degree angle, we would have to have an equation equal to 90. So in our formula, it's going to equal 90. It's going to be two numbers, or one number plus another equals 90. And now our equation looks like 4x plus 18 equals 90. Now you may be wondering, where do we get the 4x plus 18? Well, if you divide 90 by 4, so you'll get 18. And what you need to do is you need to look at what the problem gave you. You have that her legs are 4 times off the ground, or the angle of her legs from the ground is 4 times bigger than the sorry about this. Then the angle from her legs to the 90-degree the 90-degree angle. My bad. So you need to subtract the 18 from both sides, and you'll get 4x equals 72. Now you have to evaluate, and you get 4x equals 72 to get 18. You have to divide by 4 to each side. Alright guys, that's the end of our video, and I just wanted to say it was awesome to teach you how to use the method of substitution. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher. If you need to email either Michael or I, you can email me at martinyadigar@bcp.org, or martin.yadigar12@bcp.org. And Michael's email is michael.escobar11@bcp.org. Feel free to ask us questions. I'll try to help you out with anything you need. Alright, it was nice teaching you guys how to do the substitution method. I hope you learned a lot. Alright, thanks, bye.